This is the Chapter 17 PowerPoint. We're going to be going over the analysis of financial statements. Here's the agenda. We're going to be going over just some basic information and overview of what all this is for. And then the three main points, which is the horizontal analysis, the vertical analysis, and the ratio analysis. So these are the three main topics that we're going to be covering. And they're pretty easy. I'd say this chapter is a lot easier than the other ones we've done prior. There is a lot of math in this one, but it's all adding, subtracting, multiplication, division. There's no algebra, no statistics, no calculus, nothing like that. So it should be fine for all of you to do this. Okay, so we're just going to go over some basic points of doing an analysis. So it helps us to make better decisions. So we're going to be just doing some math problems to see certain numbers, how a company's been doing. Are they doing better or worse than last year? How are they doing compared to other companies? So it'll help us make better decisions if we want to maybe invest in these companies. Okay, helps reduce uncertainty. So, gives, instead of just guessing, oh, I think this company is good, we do have hard facts on how they've been doing. We're going to be using the analytical tools. So like I said before, it's the horizontal, vertical, and ratio analysis that we're going to be doing. And it involves transforming data. So we're basically taking information from the income statement, from the balance sheet, and transforming that into specific numbers. And those numbers will tell us how a company is doing. All right, here's the building blocks of analysis. So we're going to be going over this mostly when we're doing the ratio analysis. We'll be going over the liquidity and efficiency numbers, solvency, profitability, and market prospects. So I'll go over all of this when we get to the ratio analysis. Okay, so here's the three tools we're going to be doing. I stated this already. It's our horizontal, vertical, and ratio analysis. Those are the three main points. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, so you can compare information all within the same company, but you can also do it on an intercompany basis, meaning like think intercompany, like interstate, connecting two states. So we can look at, company A compared to company B and see which one is doing better. More specifically, you can do it based on competitors. So that's like your stock market project that you have to be doing. You're doing competitors, like McDonald's and Burger King or AT&T and Verizon. So you're going to be doing a lot of these analysis based on your companies and comparing them competitively. Okay, you can do it like on an industry analysis. So basically, overall, for everyone in the cell phone industry, what does this number usually need to be in order to mean that the company is doing well or not? Or anything in the fast food industry or the hotel industry. So you don't have to compare them between specific companies. You can do an overall analysis or just general guidelines. So usually a number over 1 would be something that means the company is doing okay. If it's below 1, then maybe it's not doing so well. So you can just look at general guidelines, but the more specific you are, usually the better information you're gathering from this and the better decisions you can make.